How to insert or remove a micro SD card on the Samsung Galaxy A15. So first, we'll begin by finding the SIM tray pin on your device that comes in the box. So with the SIM pin, you want to insert it into the SIM tray located at the top left of the device. So put it into the hole like that and push it all the way in. Once you push it in, the SIM tray will pop out. So you need to pull it out with your fingernails. So pull out, it will be hard. So there will be some resistance. So you need to actually pull it out real hard like this. Once it come off, turn it around at the bottom. On the bottom tray here, you put the SIM micro SD card in with the metal contact facing upwards. Make sure you push it down so it stays nice and flat within the allotted area. And then we turn it around and insert the SIM tray into the slot. Push it all the way in. After, you can log into your phone, and from here you'll be able to transfer or save your data and photos to the SIM card, to the SD card. To view data on your SD card, you can swipe up on the home screen and then go into Samsung folder and tap on My Files. In My Files, go to Storage, and in here it shows SD card. Now, if it's a SD card not inserted, that means the SD card could be an issue. So in that case, you might need to check your SD card. So in here, this SD card is damaged. So to remove it, we're just gonna push it down, turn it around, and then push it down through the holes right there, and that will pop out the SD card. Now I will put in a different SD card. So this one here works fine. So it's over here. And then I'll put the SIM tray back in to the phone. Okay, once it is inside, once it is inserted, you can see it will show my SD card with the capacity. And here I can access my data from the SD card. And that's it. That is how you can insert or remove a micro SD card on your Samsung Galaxy A15. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.